Are you straight, nigga? Hey, Jordan, she leaking.
What the fuck?
That's me. Me spit game for you? I don't talk to bitches. Ah! Ah! You straight, my boy? It didn't look like you were slowing down fast enough. There's a bike coming hot as shit right now. Watch out, watch out, watch out. did you guys get right there? What? What? Baby!
I'm gonna give myself gas, you gas, and Jordan gas.
I don't care, sure.
Sure, wait a minute, hold on!
Come on, hop in line. Hop in line, right?
As long as you guys fill my bike for me.
Hilarious.
Yeah, Sugar Mommy Ava. Uppies, uppies, uppies.
Disgusting. Stop talking.
Uppy. No, I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm probably gonna put like a gallon or two in. I won't be a dickhead. Give me. These niggas are hanging out the car. Alright, did you fill all the way up? Did you fill all the way up?
We're terrible people.
Gonna close it?
I'm putting a tampon in right now.
Ew. Why are you telling us that? Why?
Because
Bro.
that's where I am. But this man like literally like opened some random door.
Bro.
I'm gonna throw up.
Why?
That's gross.
Uppies.
I
Ava, hurry your little ass up! Run! Yeah, dude, she does not look old enough. They're swinging! Oh! I don't want to get my bike hit though. We should not be here. We should be like... Yeah, no, we need to not be... Yeah, we need to back up, nigga. Yeah, back up, nigga. Yo, this nigga's about to get... Nigga, I'm trying to get the fuck up out of here. Yeah! Watch out. Oh. Yeah, give me the fuck up out of there. Y'all niggas is bugging. Y'all niggas is bugging. Yeah! I just don't want to get hit. Oh, walked.
He jumped it, bro. He jumped it.
Hey, a chase is a race, Big Daddy. I'm trying to go watch these niggas drift.
It was not close.
I want to park my bike somewhere. homie is fucking.
Do you think if I paid them $20, they'd hit me?
Probably hit your ass for free. Fuck the $20, they hit your ass for free for the low. Yo, that nigga was balling. He overheated his shit. Yo, he blew his shit up.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I need y'all to find me a wife. I'm trying to go golfing on Sundays, come home, eat some dinner, beat it up.
What about it?
You golf?
Oh yeah.
No, we ain't talking to her. She didn't claim you. She didn't claim you. She was talking shit. She didn't claim you.
It's rough, man.
Actually, this circle is kind of closed right here, my boy.
Yeah, that's right. Go. Shoot.
And he blew it up. He blew it up. He blew it up.
Yeah, good job, dude.
Whoa, where you going, my boy? Hey,
Doesn't look like it.
first of all, I'm not gonna let you disrespect me like that. I look like Chance the motherfucking Rapper, okay? With a
Mixed
hat
with
on.
a boogie though.
You look like
Hat on,
Beyonce.
okay? I'm just gonna keep it a buck. Hey, swing that shit. Yeah. There's some cameras coming out. This nigga wanna stop swinging. Whoa. Big shoot.
Hey, shorty got a fatty. She my little boo thing.
Dude, I hate you. Leave me alone. I appreciate you.
You like Valentino Rossi on that?
Bro. Yo. Oh, you guys are. That's yours?
Yeah. Here, go look at it.
Nigga, get insurance money. What the fuck? This is not hail.
Feel that.
Bro, this is not hail.
That's what. She has a picture of it. It was the size of a tennis ball. Look at the roof. Needs a wash.
Needs a wash. These new fucking body panels, nigga.
No, I took a hammer.
Yeah. That's great. I got a new blade. I'm gonna pick up though. I need a wash.
A what? Bro, you need new. Yeah. Is that my. Oh, I thought this nigga was moving my bike. I was like, what the fuck is going on? Hey,
Where's your man?
my man's a demon.
Where's your man?
No, my man's over there, bro.
Where's your man?
He literally said you guys were, and then you said no, and he was like, yeah, no.
He apologized to me
Huh?
I think that's just you. I don't hear anything. You also.
Nigga, you need some new brakes. Oh, whoa. A little bit of smoke come out of there, my boy. Hey, you listen here, boy. Monkey is crazy. Yeah, we're just street racing and niggas are just showing up to work. Hey, hit that nigga's kill switch. Oh, I forgot you could hear me. that shit is louder than my bike, which is crazy right now. My bike is too loud. Yeah, I can hear it over my bike. Boys, that's gonna do it for this video. Your boy's tired. Appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.